Hello students, let's start Max NCERT. Chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. Now page number 89. Is it a circle? Naina was making a circle with help of compass, with help of rounder. Ravi asked her for an eraser. She kept her compass and gave him the eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle, but she got this. Okay, so what happened? Naina was doing a circle with help of a rounder. So Ravi asked her to give a eraser. So what she did? She kept the rounder down and she went to find out to give a eraser. So again when she started the circle, she not put at the proper point, not put on the midpoint. She started a new point and she drawn circle like this way. Now guess why did Naina get such a drawing? Discuss. So our answer, Naina did not put the point of her compass again on the same place before going to find an eraser. So she got such design. Can a circle have more than one center? No, a circle has only one center. Another day Naina was using a compass to make a circle, but it came out like this. So did any one of you ever get a shape like Naina's? Yes, so many times when I draw a circle using more than one centers. If you will use more than one center, so you will get a circle like this. Oh, the screw of the compass is loose. Let me tighten it. Now my compass will not slip. Page number 90. Find the center. Sadik and Samina want to make circles for themselves. Now Sadik, I will make it with a compass. So he is going to use a rounder for making a circle. Samina, no, I will trace it with a bangle. So how she will make a circle with help of a bangle. So they both started to make a circle. Then they cut their circle. So they cut their circle from the paper. See, my circle has a center, but where is the center of your circle? Now Sadik is saying that my circle has a center because he used rounder. So rounder will give us a center of the circle. Now Samina is saying, don't worry, see how I find it. So she folded her circle into a half. So what she done? She folded her circle into a half. Now page number 91. Then she folded it again like this. So what she done, Samina, again she folded the circle like this. She opened the folded circle. Can you see the two creased line crossing each other? Now she asking, okay, can you see the creased line that crossing each other? Yes. See, I put a point where these lines cross. This is the center of my circle. Now she is saying she will put the point at the center where the creased lines are crossing. So this is the center of our circle. Now you trace a circle on a page using a bangle, cut it, then find its center like Samina did. So this is the activity you have to do, students. After tracing the circle using a bangle on notebook, cut the circle from its outline, fold the circle into half. So with the help of bangle we will draw a circle, then we will cut the circle from the page. Then fold it again in half. Open the folded circle. The crossing point of the two greased line in is its center. So we will get the center after we will open the folded circle. Now we can also make the design on page 88 like this. How did you do it? So how we will do the circle here like this way design. So first we will draw this big circle with help of a rounder. Then we will measure the center of the circle and from this measure. So suppose it is a 2 centimeter. So we will take a half of the 2 centimeter, that will 1. So we will keep here the center of the rounder and we will draw this circle, smaller circle, and same way here also we will measure, it is of 2 centimeter, then we will draw, take a half, then we will draw this centimeter. Okay, so this way this design will happen in a circle. And if we want this like way S, so what we will do, we will rough this one side, so we will get this design. Now page number 92, balancing act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? No, I cannot balance a plate on a finger. It is very difficult as it requires a lot of practice. So it will require lot of practice. Then only we will balance a plate on our finger. I will balance it. Oops, I will try again. So the monkey started balancing the plate, but it fall down. I think I have found the center of the plate. Now it can balance the plate. So because of it got the center of the plate. You also try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger. Where does it balance? The center of a plate or a round lid is the place where we balance while trying on our finger. So with help when we will take a center of a plate, then we can able to balance a plate. Now spin the top. Zagir, Appu, Naina and Gudu were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. So suddenly Appu said, let's each make a top. So they took a piece of cardboard, traced a circle on it, then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. Now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which looked like this. So Zagir made like this top, then Appu made like this, then Naina made like this, then Gudu made like this. So here guess whose top will not spin at all? So whose top will not rotate? Zagir's and Naina's top will not spin at all because they have not made the proper center of the top. So Zagir and Naina's top will not spin at all. Second question, whose top will spin a little? Whose top will spin a little? So it is Gudu's top. So the top made by Gudu will spin a little. He made the center little bit near by the center. So the top will spin little. Whose top will spin the best? Whose top will spin the best? So that is the top made by Appu will spin the best because he done in a proper center of the circle. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? So that is the top in which the stick is nearest to the center is Appu's top. So Appu's top is nearest to the center of the circle. Now make your own top. You also make your own top and play this game. To make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? So where we will make the hole? So we will make the hole at its center to spin the top well. Okay students, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.